Hi, today you're part of the Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store app, and then in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So now we should tap to open the app, click I agree, close, OK. And here we'll see information about our battery health condition. In my case, the battery is in a good condition. So also we can find here more info like the capacity level, the temperature of our battery, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.